Hi, my name is Ben Boterkoper, author of the IAAD China Working Method. Today I want to first thank you for reading the use case about what if the manufacturer uses the wrong parts. So how do we make factories use the right parts, the correct parts? Actually, in the use case there we talked about that in this case the client had a product with a IC in it. So the IC is kind of a chip. These ICs are inside products that have actually digital functions or other functions that need to be executed. In this case, the factory has, for the same product, for different clients, ICs with different functionalities. What happened in this use case was that for this client, the wrong ICs were used. So ICs were mixed up. IC versions of different clients were eventually implemented in his batch order. That means that the same products in one order contained multiple different versions and multiple different functionalities. So how do we solve this? How do we make sure that the manufacturer uses the correct parts? First of all, you need to know if there are different kind of versions of your product. In this case, the client didn't know that there were different kind of ICs for his same product. So upfront, he was not aware that he needed to agree something about which IC to use in the product. Secondly, in the agreement, it is important to also define and describe the function of your version of the IC. When you have described this in the contract, there cannot be any misunderstanding about if the wrong parts will be used or not. So one is describing the function in the contract, but secondly also what will happen at the moment that the product is not complying that function.